Alright guys, we are going to turn on the Nano live. No, not live, but we are going to turn this on for the first time. It's not been turned on yet, so everything's charged up. Let me open this thing, get one of these cables out of here. USB-C to Lightning. Man, this controller has such a nice feel to it, because you know what's coming when I turn this on, right? Everybody knows. This is no big secret what's coming. So we're going to power on the transmitter, and we are going to power on the quadcopter. And now that knacked right away. I heard that, and I am going to go out and fly it for a couple of minutes, real close. I don't want a Marcus Crawford situation falling in the ocean. So I am going to take it pretty damn easy here. Okay, so it's activated successfully. I don't need, and I don't want that care. So I've never bought any of that care. I've never bought any of that care, and I've never returned a high-end drone, ever. I've never returned one. And I've never bought the care, and I've never crashed one. Let's not make this the first. Okay.
Self-checking. Please take off later.
Yeah, I'll take off later. Yeah, that's a good idea. Take off later. Oh, here it is. Yay, it finally showed up. New firmware found. Okay, so let's just get that over with. Okay, so thank God I didn't go out there. Be in there. New features. Added shoot mode. Fixed DNG color. Oh, all kinds of stuff. Optimized wind resistance. Optimized gimbal. Okay, let's just get that done. Alright guys, so it finally took the update, and there it goes starting. The microphone didn't work there, so I'm doing a little voiceover on this thing. But yeah, it finally took it. It took a long time, way more than the 50. I would say it was about 25-minute range, and I had to actually take a can of air and blow it in there to get it to to cool down a little bit. I was kind of worried the damn thing was going to melt, but yeah, it's all good now. All right, boys and girls, I'm out here with the you-know-what, EVO Nano. We're going to fire this app up real quick. This Autel Sky. Okay, so this gimbal is self-checking. This does this every damn time you turn it on. It's kind of a pain. I did turn that off. It's getting very... Sorry, the wind is picking up here, so... Oh well, you know, big deal. Supposedly it can handle a little bit of wind. I'm just flying it around here anyway. I don't want no Marcus Crawford crap. You see it's bouncing around a lot, right? I don't want no dives into the Atlantic Ocean. So I'm just gonna have it here. I want to actually see what the video looks like, to be honest with you. Look at it, it's dancing pretty good. Okay, but the picture is staying pretty steady. Oh yeah, doing well, especially for this wind. Yeah, okay. Let me change that to Imperial. Okay, so we did that. What's that standard? Okay, so there it is up here. You just hit that little standard thing up there, and then you can change it to the ludicrous mode. I mean, I don't really think you need it right now. I mean, look at the pitch on it as it is. So for this little flight here, I'm not going to worry about that. I mean, it seems pretty straightforward there. I mean, wow, look at the pitch on it. Let me try it real quick. Okay, there it is. It switched it up there. Yeah, you can see the pitches a lot more. Okay, yeah. All right. I'm gonna put it back in the, okay, there's smooth. There's the smooth mode. Yeah, that's good. And then there's the standard mode. Okay. All right. That works for me. Yeah, it's a little bit too windy to be trying anything like going over there to Popeyes or anything. Give me a wing. Like I said, I just want to check the color there on the building, on the red building and the green grass. On the screen here, it looks great, okay? What it's going to look like in the house is another story. So yeah, looks good to me. Alright guys, I'm going to cut this video. And I am going to land it and go home. That's what I'm doing. So yeah, it's good, man. Oh, do you see that? Did you see that hit land? I canceled it. I didn't know that it did that. It was going over there to where I took off and was going to land. Right where I took off at. It was going to go over there and land. Ooh, look how low you can get to the ground on this thing. That's not high at all. That's it. That's like a foot. Yeah, that's as low as that can go now. Okay, so I'm looking for, since my Karma took a crap, I have no idea what, I just quit working. I might just toss it in the garbage, but it just stopped working. I think the main board fried out or something. That was my low to the ground shooter, but this thing here might be pretty cool too. Wow, look at that. That's just inches off the ground. Wow. I like that. Wow, look at that thing. You can get some unique shots like that when you're inches off the ground. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. Especially them water reflection shots. Yeah, I love that. That's great. All right, guys, there you go. Yeah, okay, so that landed like a, oh, it's gonna do one of them deals now. Okay, it landed like a bebop. Did you hear that thing? Oh my God, call the doctor. All right, guys, I'm going, oh, we got a storm coming anyway. We're supposed to be getting some big rain tonight. We're supposed to be getting some big rain tonight, so. All right, guys, I'm taking off. Have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.